Hi, today we're going to be this time we're going to actually be making the force cubes. So real quick before, I wanted to see how easy this coin twist. Yeah, this thing's really easily coin twist. So I think the way I'm going to take these cubes apart, which is the first step in making force cubes, is I'm going to unscrew one of the centers. So basically, how I'm going to do it is just pop off one of the center caps, and then I'm going to grab a screwdriver and just unscrew the screw in there. So this tight cube. These are tight cubes. All right, the screw is out. There is a screw in there, there is a spring in there, and let's go ahead and start by taking out the centerpiece. All right, that is the inside. Okay, now what we're gonna that is the inside. That looks amazing. So I think the next step, now what we're gonna do is just repeat that. Now we can take this cube apart. We can get the center. Of these center caps. Yeah, it is a pretty simple mechanism because is cube, and we can open up each of the edges and open up each of the corners as well. Let's just go ahead and unscrew the center. Let's just unscrew the center. Use white center. Center. Unscrew this centerpiece. That's how I will open these cubes. There we go, got the screw out and the centerpiece and the white side. Now in this cube, you don't have any washer, because that just makes the cube more expensive. And there we go, now we can do that with the remaining cubes. So we're going to do the rest all in time lapse. So let's go ahead and begin. Hi guys, today we are going to show off my finished force cubes. So I've actually packed those force cubes that I made in this packet, in this box, and we'll see what we got here. ahead and unpack them. The timer. Timer back. So let's just give you a quick overview of what we got. So of course they're still free functional. So the phase. So here's the white one, blue one, green one, orange one. So here's white, blue, green and orange, as well as red and yellow. They look really cool.